On your mark, get set, glow! Welcome, Jaguars, to the 2021-2022 school year. It is wonderful seeing your smiling faces. We are going to have a glowing year together, growing, leading, and helping others through our outreach projects. You will be amazed at all the things we accomplished this year. Watch us. Weekly announcements are sent home through the Class Dojo app and Canvas. Teachers will also be sharing them in class each Monday. This allows you and your families to be informed on what is happening at Jefferson, so let's get started. We have many new faces at Jefferson this year, so let me introduce you to a few of them. In the next few days, we will also be sharing a link to our pictorial staff directory. Dr. Potter is not a new face to Jefferson, but it is important for our new students to know who is the principal of our school. Dr. Potter has been anxiously awaiting your arrival. She is ready to watch you glow. This year, we welcome Mrs. Limecooler to Jefferson. She is our associate principal. Make sure you give her a huge Jaguar welcome. She is looking forward to getting to know each of you. A big Jefferson welcome goes out to Mr. Mullins in preschool, and yes, we will have a preschool class at Jefferson this year. Mrs. Gibson and Mrs. Vale in kindergarten, Mrs. Harold, 3rd through 5th grade special services, Mrs. Sims, speech in kindergarten through 2nd grade, Mrs. Hall, speech in 3rd grade through 5th grade, Mrs. Bryant, our Jefferson and Kennedy Indy, and Miss Angel from our cafeteria staff. We hope to be able to introduce to you our newest music teacher in the next few days. Our menu for the week is as follows. On Monday, we'll be serving muffin, yogurt, and string cheese. Tuesday, chicken nuggets, sauce, and roll. Wednesday, deli sub sandwich. Thursday, wow sandwich and string cheese. And on Friday, a snack bag, Go-Gurt, and string cheese. And now I'm going to go over several items with you in helping to keep you informed. To begin our school day, students who are not bus riders are to enter the school through the main doors on Westmoreland. The doors open at 7:45 a.m. Only bus riders will enter through the cafeteria doors. Please be mindful, drop-off for the first week of school will be slower until families become familiar with the routine. So please be patient and choose kindness. Once the routine is in place, drop-off and pick-up will become more efficient and faster. Parents' arrival and dismissal information was sent home by letter, email, and through Class Dojo. Please familiarize yourself with these procedures. We also encourage you to get connected with your child's classroom dojo. Your child's teacher will send you an invitation to join. This is the fastest way for communication between you, your child's teacher, and our school. Also remember to watch for the beginning of the year forms and clinic card to be completed and returned. Unless the clinic card has been completed and returned, your child will not be able to be assessed by our school nurse. This clinic card must be completed each year. So Jaguars, here are some important things for you to remember. The building opens at 7:45. Breakfast and lunch are free to all students every day, all year long. When you arrive between the hours of 7:45 a.m. and 8 a.m., students are to report to assigned areas. If you are eating breakfast, you will report to the cafeteria. If you choose not to eat breakfast and you're in kindergarten through 1st grade, you'll go to room 303. 2nd through 3rd grade students will report to the art room, and 4th through 5th grade students will go to the library. At 8 a.m., students in these areas will be dismissed to grade level paired classrooms. From 8:15 to 8:30, all students will go to their classrooms. Students arriving after 8:15 may pick up breakfast from the grab-and-go cart and proceed to their classrooms. Students should not go to the cafeteria after 8:15 each morning. When transitioning in the hallways, walk on the designated blue lines. When it's time to leave for the day, if you are a kindergarten student or you are a brother or sister to a kindergarten student, you will be dismissed from the gym area. If you are a 1st through 5th grade student, you will be dismissed from the hallway by the library. Walkers will be dismissed out of the front door at 3:30 p.m. A walker means a student leaves Jefferson and walks home, which is less than a mile from our school. This does not mean a student walks to someone's car in the parking lot or on a side street and then drives away. If for any reason an adult picks you up in a vehicle, then you are a car rider on that particular day. You will go to the car line pickup on that day. Parents, when picking up your child, please have your car tag clearly displayed. This will make our car lines move quickly and efficiently. If you do not have a car tag yet, you will need to have your driver's license ready for ID check. Please let your child's teacher know you will need a car tag, or you may request one by contacting the main office at 423-378-2270. Parents, the first few days of drop-off and pickup always takes extra time, so please plan accordingly, and thank you for your patience. As we continue to work together to keep all of us healthy as possible, remember, currently wearing a mask is optional. Continue to wash your hands often and practice social distancing as best as you can. It's birthday time at Jefferson. Each week we give a huge birthday shout out to our Jaguars. At the end of the year, please know that we will also include our June and July birthdays. So celebrating a birthday this first week of August, on August the 1st, in 3rd grade, Elsie V. August the 2nd, in kindergarten, Henry S. On August the 4th, in 1st grade, Malachi MC and Miss Hickman, one of our 2nd grade teachers. On August the 7th, in 2nd grade, Kaylin B. And in 4th grade, Brooklyn N. And celebrating a birthday on August the 8th, in 2nd grade, is Everly G. And in 2nd grade, Hadley G. Jaguars, enjoy your day. You are an amazing gift to our world, so happy birthday! And now it's time for our words of wisdom. Our school theme this year is Watch Us Glow at Jefferson. So let's get busy growing our minds and bodies, leading to make ourselves, our school, and our world a better place, and reaching out to help others. Watch us glow. It's going to be a terrific year, so let's get glowing. This is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor, wishing each of you a wonderful first week at Jefferson Elementary. And now you may join your teacher for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.